how to record in HDR in OBS Studio. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to record in HDR mode in OBS Studio. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, in your bottom right corner you can see an option named settings. Simply click onto it. Then here you can see many options. Then on the bottom you can see an option named advanced. Simply click onto it. Then here you can see HDR normal peak level. If you don't have this option, then you need to know that your device or your laptop or your desktop doesn't support HDR. So if this option shows, then make sure to put it in 1000 nits. Then on the color range, simply click it and put it on full. Then on the HDR white level, simply maximize it to 300. That's perfect. Then on the color space, simply select Rec 2100 PQ. Then on the color format, simply select here P416, this one 16-bit one. Simply click onto it. Then on the render, it is all things are perfect. Now simply click on apply, and then you will successfully be able to record in HDR using OBS Studio. So this was how you could record in HDR using OBS Studio. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.